It is a bright, beautiful, sunny day here in the central east coast of Florida. Today I am going to be running up to the Tiger Bay State Forest. I've been up there one other time before, but I've not gotten a chance to explore it all. I've heard from multiple people that it's got some pretty sweet campsites and lakes and ponds to fish in. So, I'm taking the 4Runner up there, and we'll see what's there. We'll explore it. I'll drop the location of this place down in the link. I'm not going to say exactly where it is, but yeah, so let's go along for the ride. Let's get it. Something I personally like about these wildlife management areas is that it's not like a state park, and they've got these cool kind of drives up to them like this. It's like a state managed, but like it's not a national park. So A, there's not going to be a ton of people back here, and B, it's not super like well known. Here's the entrance. We'll stop right here. Tiger Bay State Forest, Tiger Bay Wildlife Management Area, and Rima Ridge Unit. Very, very shallow today. This first entrance area, you keep going straight over this bridge, is a fee area if you're staying overnight, but I'm just cruising back here to see what's good. Looks to be there is a wildlife drive. So this is one of the ponds over here. Okay, cool. So there's a little a dock there. The next video I'll do an in-depth tour of the docks and everything. I read on one of those signs that this is a black bear sanctuary. So we're walking up to the campsite. Unfortunately, it is closed unless we have a reservation, so I'm not allowed to go in. It's barred off. You can reserve campsite there. This right here is the other sign you see when coming from Daytona. Bennett Field Primitive Camp. Actually, even if you don't go back here to go like mudding or off-roading, it's a beautiful drive. Now we've got water on both sides. I have seen, the only other time I've been back here, I have seen some gators, but that was after a bunch of rain, and my area of Florida has not had any rain in the past at least a week and a half, 2 weeks. It's pretty dry right now. This next split off happens at Danny Hole Road and a horse trail. And what I am, if I'm remembering correctly what I read, the overlanding trails are off of Danny Hole Road. So we're headed back here to see what's all back here. With this part coming up here, this used to be completely underwater. As you can see, we're right up, like basically level with water on both sides. here. You can see the water. We're both level with the swamp. This is actually where I saw the gator cross when this road was flooded when I was here last. I had to turn around because I couldn't cross. I didn't know how deep it was. This is cool. Like, I love doing this kind of thing. You can see mud. It's significantly more dry. More swamp on that side. Come out over. Hall Creek Road seems to be more bearable for my 4Runner and less of a chance of getting stuck. I've actually never been down this way, so we'll see what's down this way. It looks pretty down this way. Another thing I should feel. Oh, motorcyclist. So the motorcyclist just passed me coming from the other direction, and he had passed me going a different direction earlier, so this more than likely leads out. So the end of this road does come to a no trespassing fence. I'm gonna assume that is private property. I respect private property. I don't mess around with people's private property. If it says private property, no trespassing, I don't go on it. Well, we've made it to the other side of Tiger Bay State Forest. That is in Ormond Beach. That's really all I can show y'all because it's more of a drive, scenic route. You got to see for yourself to really understand the beauty of these things. You can see it just goes on and on into the forest. It's beautiful. Definitely not for everybody, but for the few that like to be outside, drive around outside and see this beautiful planet we live on, this is definitely something I recommend you doing. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe for more as always, and I'll be uploading more content here soon. Thanks. George signing off.